Okay, exam 7. S 16, 17, 18, and one more things. Okay, 19. Okay, zoom out a little bit, zoom out. Okay, example 7. Example 7 is, jar A and B has, 70 marbles. They are red, white, and blue. 70 marbles each. So jar A, their ratio is, okay, let me see a little bit closer. Okay, marble A, no, jar A has, red and white is their ratio is 2 to 3, and the white and blue is 3 to 5. So we have to figure it out, red, white, blue all together. So they say 2 and 3, and the 3 to 5 right there, 3 to 5 right there. So white is they are same number, so it's gonna be very easy. So their ratio red, white, and blue is 2, 2, 2, 3, and 5. But thing is, trick is jar B. There's a red and white is 2 to 3, white and blue is 4 to 5. So red, white, and blue, that is 2 to 3 right there. White and blue is 4 to 5. So white is a little difference between there. They are different ratio. So point is, this case is much easy because they are 3 and 3 same number. So this one is different. So you learn from the jar A has we can make a same number, white over there, white over there. So 4 times those and 3 times those make 12. So 4 times those is 8 to 12. 3 times those is 12 to 15. So red, white, blue, their ratio is 8, 12 to 15. Okay, let me look at then how what is how many in your white in there. So this one is white is they have 70 together. So 70 times their ratio is 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2K plus 3K plus 5K. Make sure K over there. Then 3 is 3K. So that is 70 times 3K over this sum is 10K. So K cancel out. That's why 70 times 3 over 10 is 21. Okay, jar B has their ratio is 8 to 12 to 15. So white is 12 right there. So 70 times 12K over 8K plus 12K plus 15K. So 70 times 12K plus 35K. KK cancel out. So that's going to be a 24. So job B has a more Y than A. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, 18. This is kind of rate and time ratio. They're same. Okay, rate and time is a result or distance. You are familiar with this. So we don't know the rate. So rate times, we have to figure the times. 6 patients per week is 100 pills for 6 patients 1 week. So this is going to be a total time. 6 patients for 1 week is total time. I explain to you in the next example why this is going to be a total time. That means total time. That means because patient is more patients, more week, more days, no less week. That's why total times. So they only had 150 pills. So rate times 6 patients per week is 150. Is kind of constant. So rate is 150 divided by 6 patients per 1 week. Then question is, they say 10 patients in 1 week. How long it lasts? So we know the rate right there. So rate times time, right? Rate. So 10 patients 1 week, right? Total times their rate is this one, 150 over 6 patients overnight, 1 week. So once you figure it out, patients gone, week gone, then actually 10 times 150 divided by 6 is 250. Okay? Okay, next one is 17. Okay, they have K pills. Now, no. We say, okay, hospital is 10 pills, okay? We say that. Okay, that means they have 10 patients. They have 10 patients and 14 days. Then the hospital is that much pill. So we say simply K pill. So we have to find the rate. So rate is K divided by 10 patients for 14 days, right? Okay, then they have 35 patients, and how many days last. So total time is 35 patients. We don't know the days, so question date. We know the rate already. K divided by, let me a little bit closer. Okay, rate is 14 patients, 10 patients by 14 days. That has K pills in a hospital, right? So we're looking for question only. So we divide. We have to get rid of this. So question is this right there. This K and this K is gone. So question is 10 patients times 14 days divided by 35 patients. Okay. So look at this patients, and these patients cancel out. Then PP cancel out. So 10 times 14 is 140, and 35 right there. So it's gonna be a 4. So 4 days. So time and ratings. Okay, this is gonna be a total time is this one. Total time. Okay, next one I will show you what is the real total time. Okay, next example is more in a clear idea. Okay, they say 15 painter, 24 days, but they didn't say how many hours they work per day. So I say 8 hours. Then they can paint the K house. Okay, we say K. Then we don't know how hard they're working, so we say that means the rate. So to find this rate, we're gonna move those parts to the other side. So rate is K house divided by 15 painter, 24 days, 8 hours. This part, 15 painter, 24 days, 8 hours. That is the total time, right? more people, more time. The total time is this one. Same as patience and the period is total time. So K is, once you figure it out, 2,880 painter days hour. This is a unit. Okay, you are familiar with this one. This is K is a house. Then they say 40. Now they have 40 in a painter. How many days? For 8 hours a day. Then for the K house, just like a K house, same as, then we know the rate already. So this is the rate right there. We're gonna rewrite it again. Okay, we're looking for the question only. So we get KK cancel out. We're gonna move this part over there. We're gonna move this part the other side. So question is 2,880 painter day hour divided by 4 painter 8 hours day. We will make a 9. Okay, 9. So you're taking 9. What was it? Okay, 9 days. Okay, next one is this one. Number 19. Okay, 15. Let me close it. Okay. They say 15 painter, 8 hours a day, 24-hour days, right? 24 days. We don't know the rate, so rate just a little bit, just like this. Then they finished up 18 house, right? So we have to figure out rate is 18 divided by 15 times 8 times 24. So their rate is a 0.00625. Then they say how long it take, how many days it will take, 40 painter, 8 hours a day, how many days, and total time. This is total time. Then we know the rate, and what is it? 22 house right there. So that is, we're looking for how many days, the question, right? So we move everything the other side. Question is 22 divided by 0.00625 times 40 times 8. Once you do this, 11. Okay? Thank you. You're gonna do vocabulary. 오케이, singular. 이 singular은 싱글이라는 뜻이에요. 그래서 우리가 국어 시간에도 했듯이 싱글이라는 뜻은 유아 독존한다. 나 혼자만의 유아 독존한다. 홀로다. 그래서 singular, 그럼 아주 특이한 걸 얘기니까 singular. 다른 사람하고 틀리다. 그래서 exceptional이라고 그러는 겁니다. alias, 이거는 가짜님, 닉네임이라고 그래요. 근데 alibi는 이거 범죄 입증할 때 쓰는 alibi, 어디 있었다, 그래 alibi. grandiloquent, 이거는 뭐냐면 grandi의 뜻은 뭐 화려하다 그런 뜻이 아니에요. grandiloquent는 뭐냐면 여러분이 eloquent, loquent의 뜻이 speaker의 뜻이야, speak. eloquent 그러면 out. 그러니까 이렇게 바깥으로 잘 얘기한다 해서 유창하게 얘기한다. 그 다음에 이걸 더 과장해서 얘기하면 grandiloquent. 그래서 그랜 캐년 바로 그랜이 웅장하다 그런 뜻이에요. 그럼 웅장하게 얘기한다. 터치스톤, 이건 테스트하는 스톤이에요. 옛날에 그런 가짜가 많았기 때문에 이렇게 타치에 긁어서 한다. 그 다음에 이게 vanish는 없어지다, ban한다, 금지한다 뜻이고, vanish는 사라진다, vapor에서 나온 말입니다. Okay, another amnesty. amnesty는 사면한다, 그걸 용서해준다 그런 거예요. 이 nasty 뜻이 remember의 뜻이 remember. 그래서 not remember. 그래서 사면해준다. 그 다음에 여기서 나오는 amnesia. amnesia는 기억상실한다는 뜻이에요. 이거랑 비슷한 말이 dementia 이렇게 되는 겁니다. 오케이? Thank you.